Flowmaster Outlaws. Take some gas, man.
What do I do with that one?
Something totally different. A lot deeper.
Eric, I'm going to take my cats off too. Probably tomorrow. I got them in the trunk.
With ghost keep can't.
Let's just do it now.
I can't. Because when you take the cats off, it totally fucks everything up.
Well, do you have a tune for it?
I'm waiting for my...
He's waiting for the tune.
So what are you gonna do tomorrow?
I have this.
Well, Eric, put your tune on first. Hey, we're in the neighborhood here. What is this? What is that? That's obviously John's 12 left right now.
I'd be so pissed! Then I'll switch to American Muscle for a new one.
It sounds a lot quieter at idle.
It does.
It has like more of a tone though. It kind of bogs.
Well, it's not just crappy, you know, no muffler sound.
Get in here real quick. We'll go on that street up there.
Just
Listen.
Hey Mike, it's on my trunk. It says this is jar.
Yeah, it is still open. Don't rev it right here though. So the neighbors
Here, you just...
you just do it at this stop sign. What's going on?
Like you could just pause it and I'll come from down that street right there. And just
There's people standing there.